this morning in the pumpkin patch, trying out this new hiller I whipped up. So I took a king cutter cultivator, which these are just a standard cultivator. You can get these anywhere. They've been made for years. The king cutter is not the best quality in the world, but it was something I could get easily. And anyway, I took that and then I made this hiller attachment. So I took a 2x2 tube there, got some U-bolts, and purchased these two discs. I think I got those from Agri Supply, and basically made a hiller for the cultivator. So now I've got a cultivator and a hiller, and I can take that off with 2 bolts, drop it off, and then I can run my cultivator. So I got it hooked up to the old Ford Jubilee, 1953 Golden Jubilee, and I'm going to do a little demonstration here before it gets too hot of how it works. I've already done some hilling out here. You can see that. Looks really good. So I'll run up through there again, and then I'll cut some new rows across. I'm making mounds for my pumpkins, so let's get started. As you probably guessed, making a mound the way I was trying to do wasn't going to work. This was the first time I used the hiller, and so I ended up cutting rows one direction and then cutting rows the other with the idea that those would be like a grid of mounds. Well, that didn't work. I just had rows in the other direction, and it was very rough, obviously. So you can get a kick out of watching me bounce across those rows trying to make a mound. Anyway, I just planted the pumpkins in those rows, and it worked out really well.